Welcome in. My name is Michael, and I'm going to be your guest educator today as we learn all about the International Space Station.
Today we had a connection through our distance learning room at Salt River High School with NASA. We met the education person who introduced us to actual employees of NASA who were at mission control, who are in direct connection with the space station in space.
In the past, students did many successful projects with NASA. For example, they built gliders from a shoebox. They built airplanes from the different shoebox. A lot of science projects that the kids did impressed NASA staff.
Now we also have mission control, and that's where you're going to visit today.
We had over 58 students here today watching the live broadcast, and it started out with a gentleman from NASA giving an explanation, a full explanation of what the astronauts do, as far as including their training.
We had over 135 flights go up into space.
They came to the NASA event to learn more about science, technology, engineering, and how they can use math, science, engineering in the real world.
I worked hard in school, and after college landed a job with NASA. I applied to be an astronaut.
And then we were able to go live with mission control, and students then got up and were able to ask a lot of questions.
How do astronauts maintain muscle mass and microgravity? That's a really good question.
The goal for today was simply to allow our students to take a virtual field trip to the NASA space station in space, as well as mission control, which is down here on Earth, and to give them that experience. By doing that, they will be able to connect the courses that they're taking now in science and math to future careers in the science and math and engineering fields.
Hopefully this gave them some more information, learning about space and what all it entails. They also asked questions such as what coursework they need if they go on to college.
You're drinking on orbit, but you got to be careful because you don't want it to hit science experiments or computers or electronics.
The expected impact of these students is when they see, when they spoke with the NASA engineer and space station and astronaut and scientists, we give them deeper perspective of how they can pursue a career in those fields. And also, if they want to be in the field, in those fields, they can work harder in the math, science, engineering topics so that they can accomplish their goals.
Hopefully in the future, the students who are in our robotics program will be able to connect that what they're doing in terms of programming their robots for competitions using the computer may lead to a future skill and a future job for them.